What's up guys, Chef Rick here. I'm sitting in my restaurant, Rick's Good Eats, and I'm gonna show you guys how to make the Punjabi cheeseburger where it all started. Growing up, we used to love eating cheeseburgers, and mom would make a chicken burger that tastes like a cheeseburger. And she would use the Punjabi cheeseburger seasoning that we use in our restaurant for this delicious burger. And guess what? You guys can now pick it up and make your own Punjabi cheeseburger at home. Let's head over to my test kitchen to show you how it's done. For this Punjabi cheeseburger, we need obviously some ground beef. I've got an 80-20 mix here. You can find this in supermarkets. If you want to be really fancy, get a chuck or brisket, then you can omit the eggs. You don't need the eggs for that, but for this, we need eggs. Then we've got this special concoction here. This is the base that every mother makes when they're making sabji or they're making kebabs or whatever it may be. We've got onions, mint, cilantro, garlic, Worcestershire, lemon juice. Oh, it smells so good. If you thought this was the start of the show, you thought wrong. We've got our Punjabi cheeseburger seasoning. This is our signature mix that we use for our burgers at the restaurant. It is delicious. It goes in all our burgers, and you can use this on veggie meats or beyond chicken, lamb, whatever you want. It is very versatile. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix all these ingredients together, and let me show you how that works. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our beautiful concoction and we're just gonna mix that into the beef. To this, we're gonna crack 2 eggs. So what we wanna do is mix everything together. And you wanna over-mix it, just gently until everything is nicely incorporated. Now what we're gonna do is make 6-ounce balls. If you have a scale, go ahead, scale it out. Take a nice ball of meat and just roll it around your hand. And so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna place the balls on the tray. Now what you wanna do is take your patty and we're just gonna press down. And as you press down, you wanna kinda just go around the edges and just pack it in nicely. What my mom does is she puts a hole in the middle with her finger, like that. And what this does is it prevents it from shrinking. And we've got our nice, beautiful Punjabi cheeseburger patties. And we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of these guys. There we have it, the Punjabi cheeseburger with tandoori bacon. This is epic. You can have this at home using a Punjabi cheeseburger spice. That's how beautiful this is. I'm gonna take a bite, but before I do, I just wanna show you guys. Punjabi cheeseburger, right? We got a Punjabi cheeseburger spice. For that tandoori bacon, you can use our tandoori spice. And then if you want the full Rick's Good Eat experience, we got fries here. There are masala fries using our honey seasoning. You get the best of all 3 worlds. All right, I'm gonna try this out. Let's do this. Oh, baby. This reminds me of being a kid in my backyard, family doing barbecue, and making kebab burgers. It's basically a kebab in a burger with tandoori bacon, achari mayo, American cheddar, lettuce, tomatoes, onions. The best of all worlds. You don't want to miss out on this. Give it a try. Order our spices. I guarantee you, you'll be very happy. It'll be a slap in your face like your mom used to slap you when you never used to eat your food, or at least when I never used to eat my food. Check it out. Good eats.